Hello friends, my name is Shreyas and today I am going to share with you the source of passive income. Yes, in the period of lockdown, how you can use the period of lockdown to improve your wealth, your success, happiness, peace of mind and can generate the new sources of passive income. So the first source of passive income is writing a book. Yes, you can write a book and you will generate the source of passive income. You will also get a royalty income, even though after your death you will still get the royalty income of your book. Whenever the book is sold, you will get your commission as a royalty income. You must make a habit of reading a book. Yes, you must make a habit of reading a book which automatically attract the success, wealth, happiness and the peace of mind in your life. It gives direction to your mind and body as well as purpose to your life. So you must make a habit of reading a book. It removes the negativity, fear, doubt and tension out of your mind and it makes you throughout mind and body positive. Second is a digital marketing. You must learn the digital marketing. This is the era of internet and e-commerce. So you must learn how to promote the product and services, how to market them through the channel of digital marketing. In digital marketing, you can learn how to make a videos in YouTube channel as well as how to start a YouTube channel, how to manage a YouTube channel. You can generate the multiple YouTube channel and can generate the multiple sources of income through the YouTube channel. YouTube channel has also a 6-figure to a 7-figure earning potential in a month. Affiliate marketing, yes, promoting other companies product and services through online, through your network and getting a commission. It can also generate a passive income, so you can earn income while you sleep. You can learn to run the Facebook ads. Yes, Facebook ad has a 8-figure income potential by learning of Facebook ad. It is the hottest industry and you can learn the Facebook ads. Next is blogging on a website such as a blogger.com, blogspot.com. You can learn a blogging in which you have to write an article. You have to find a niche. A niche means the area of expertise in the field which you are have a complete expertise. It can be a cooking, singing, it can be a health, it can be a meditation, yoga, or it can be a singing or acting, or it can be a teaching, coaching, mentoring, counseling. So you have to find your niche, what the things you are passionate about, and you start making article on the blogspot. And blogspot.com or blogger website can make you a source of passive income. The third is you can rent a home. Yes, if you have a property having a 1 RK or 2 RK or 1 BHK or 2 BHK or 1 room, you can make a rent on it. You can rent your property, you can rent your land, as well as you can rent your hotel if you have, or if you have a very 50 by 50 room, you can still provide it to the many of the banks or ATM and can generate the source of passive income. Because in the field of insecurity, you must have the source of passive income which can boost your career as well as give the confidence that you are generating some of the revenue even though you are not actively work. So you must have a source of income by renting a property or a land or a house. The fourth is direct selling. You can join a direct selling company. There are many companies are still the boom in the booming sector, and you can direct sell and generate. You have to make a team, and by creating a team you can generate the source of passive income. You can start a business such as direct selling or a public speaking. Public speaking is also means of generating the source of passive income by generating your team. The fourth is you can build a business in the field of coaching, training, mentoring, and can having a multiple people at your workplace, and you can still generate the source of passive income. So these are the 4 ways by which you can generate the source of passive income. So I hope you like the videos. If you have any comment or you want me to make a videos on any other topic or subject, you must write in the comment box. Yes, in the comment box you must tell me on which topic should I make the video next. Till then, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification. Whenever I upload my new videos, you will get the notification and you can watch the videos. I have many other videos on my YouTube channel, so go to YouTube channel and it will help to generate, to improve the quality of your life. Till then, have a good life and follow these 5 sources of income which I told you, and it gives the massive result. It takes a time initially, but as you keep on making a practice, you will become expertise and you will generate the multiple source of income, and this income has a potential of up to 8 figures in a month. Yes, 8 figures in a month you can generate through this channel. So I hope this video will improve the quality of your life. Just follow it. First, taking action is difficult, but once you take action it becomes very easy. Thank you, all the best.